Hey guys, your girl Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing kind of like a VR to Bona, who is LiveLoveScrap here on YouTube. But then she's Bona Rivera Tran over on Instagram, and she is hosting a challenge to win her 50 of her flare buttons. And what you have to do is make like a treat box or bag using, with or without dies, and then you have to share it, do a VR like I'm doing right now for a point. If you share it on Instagram as well, you get an additional point, and then if you do a tutorial, you get an additional point. So you can get up to 3 entries into her giveaway, and then this ends September 30th, I believe. I want to say that's correct, but either way, I'll have her video down below for you. So this is the box that I created. I did not do any dies to create the box, only to decorate it. And it's just a cute, fun little gift box here. And then this one in particular, it measures 4.5 to about 4, almost 5 inches. But I am going to do a tutorial. I did make a little bit of tweak because I did not like the height that I came up with on here. So I did tweak it for the tutorial that I'm going to show you. But yeah, I just think it's a cute little treat box. You can go ahead and put candy in here. It'll be a great stocking stuffer. You could put some embellishments or whatever that you would like. So if you would like to see how I made this, make sure you stay tuned. Alright, yeah, so create the treat box. You're going to need a sheet that measures 6.5 by 9 3/4. And then on your 6.5 inch side, you're going to score at 1 and at 5.5. Then you're going to flip it to the long side, and we are going to score it at 3/4, 1 1/4, 4 1/4, 5 1/4, 8 1/4, and 8 3/4. All right, so again, on the short side, we score it at 1 and at 5.5, and then on the long side, we score it at 3/4, 1 1/4, 4 1/4, 5 1/4, 8 1/4, and 8 3/4. So that is all the scoring that we're going to do. And then we are going to go over our score lines. So you're going to take your scissor, and these two little squares down here on all 4 sides. So if you look at it, we have this bigger square and this little rectangle on all 4 sides. You're going to remove all 4 of those up to the score line. And then the last thing we're going to do, we're just going to cut the tabs, and we're going to create tabs in these middle squares right here. So I'm going to do a small angle cut and then cut on the score line. And then do the same thing here. And then the same on the other side. Alright, so now we have that. And then before you start putting everything together, if you want to go ahead and take your top tabs, the one side you're going to fold towards you and then out, and then your other tab you're going to fold away from you and then out. And if you want to match those together, so then you can, this is optional, but you can go ahead and create the holes. I'm just eyeballing, so then that you can create the cute little tie at the top. So just go ahead and do that. And then we are going to adhere. We're going to add glue to our tab here. And then lift the one side up. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other tab. Now I'm going to adhere glue on my outer, on these tabs right here. And then I'm just going to bring it in and put it over. So I'm just going to open this up a little bit, so in that way I can get my bone folder in there and make sure it lays down nicely. Same thing on the other side. And then there you have it. So then you just decorate it however you add your tying apparatus. I couldn't think of the word, don't judge me. But add your string or ribbon or whatever it is that you want to tie it off at, and then you just have a cute little treat box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you go ahead and check out Bona and check out her challenge. It's super easy. You don't have to send anything in. Just make sure that you have all the required fields filled in so that she is able to find you. So until next time, guys, bye.